दावत मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल, मोहब्बत का पैगाम, इंसानियत के नाम।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहिल्लज़ी अब्दल अफ़लाक वल अर्दीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला मन कान नबिय्यन व आदम बैनल माइ वत्तीन व अला आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि अजमईन। अम्मा बाद, फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। युरीदून लियुत्फ़िउ नूरल्लाहि बिअफ़वाहिहिम वल्लाहु मुतिम्मु नूरिहि वलौ करिहल काफ़िरून। Sadaqallahul Azim. Honorable President of today's program and all dignitaries present here. First and foremost, I would like to greet you all with the Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I am here to speak for you on the topic, why Islam is the world's fastest growing religion. Dear intellectuals, today, Islam is the second largest religion of the world after the Christianity in terms of the numbers of its adherents. It has been revealed for all human beings and jinns. The religion of Islam has been the guidance, mercy, and glad tidings for every human being without any distinction. Islam presents a bundle of high values and countless advantages that attract the people, and many of them change their ways of life and coming out from the deep darkness and started adhering the right path of Islam. Dear brothers, it is Islam that ensures unlimited rights and privileges not only for its believers but also for the believers of other than Islam. Islam doesn't only ensure the protection of human beings, rather the rights of animals, birds, even insects. It is Islam that has mentioned the rights and duties for all men, women, ruler, subject, free and slave. It is Islam that guarantees the welfare and success for every human being, because Islam is the perfect form of true religion and complete way of life, as the glorious Quran says, chapter number 5, verse number 3. اليوم أكملت لكم دينكم وأتممت عليكم نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا. It means, today I have perfected your religion for you, and I have completed my blessing upon you, and chosen Islam as a religion and way of life for you. Dear brothers, this is the universality of Islam that helped it spread across the world and was accepted by all races and followers of different religions. Islam reached far and near due to its universal teach, peace, equality and humanity, and was welcomed by people in all continents and countries. As the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had predicted the same earlier in his hadith saying, لا يبقى على ظهر الأرض بيت مدر ولا ببر إلا أدخله الله كلمة الإسلام. Hadith number 3955, Musnad Ahmad. It means, no house shall remain on the surface of the earth where the words of Islam has not entered and was not accepted by the people from each nook and corner of the world. Dear brothers, here $1 billion question may arise in our mind, why it is only the religion of Islam that will grow and will get the largest number of its adherents. So answer response to it, because Islam is the simple religion. Its doctrine is rational. All believers are equally treated. As the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam clearly wrote out all types of discrimination on any ground, saying, الناس كلهم بنو آدم وآدم خلق من تراب. Sunan at-Tirmidhi, hadith number 3955. It means, all mankind is from Adam and Eve, and no one has superiority of anyone except piety and good action. The other reason for why Islam is growing faster is that because Islam is the practical religion. Islam brings social equality and humanity for all human families, no matter what color, race and religion they have. As well as Islam doesn't teach its followers any kind of radicalization, terrorism and extremism. All these qualities attract the people from other religions to study the Islamic teaching and consequently get inspired and embrace Islam in increasing number of its adherents. Dear brothers, We have been witnessing that Western people are forsaking their religion and they are embracing the religion of Islam day by day. According to Pew Research Center, Washington of America in 2024, Muslims are the world's fastest growing religious group, and it is predicted that Islam will likely surpass the Christianity as the world's largest population in the second half of this century. Due to a globalized religion and to a clear answer to the life's big question and many ways solution for all humanity. Dear audience, but praying from the acceptability of Islam in large scale, Western countries and their media are trying to tarnish the real image of Islam, and they are willingly spreading misconception against Islam to stop the increasing number of its adherents. However, apart from all their efforts, it is increasing faster and faster just because of the good teaching of Islam. Dear brothers, now it is responsibility of all Muslims to follow the Islamic teaching in our life and to become a true and actual followers of Islam and present the true image of Islam with our activities. May Allah give us tawfiq to follow the Islamic teaching and to become actual followers. Here I conclude my speech. Thank you so much for your kind attention and listening to me patiently. Jazakumullahu khair. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
दावत मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल मोहब्बत का पैगाम इंसानियत के नाम।